Hey guys, welcome back to the landfill. At least I was able to say that this time without laughing for 5 minutes. Taking the 12-day little break did something to me, man. I had a hard time referring to this as the landfill. Hey guys, hear all that chatter on the 15-meter band? Whoa, look at the band scope. Damn, it came alive. Oh, I better shut up. Uh, I gotta do a quick update, guys. Let me pause you and reposition you. Okay, guys, I gotta catch you up on a few things. I'm gonna talk quickly and eliminate the bullshit, most of it anyway. First question on everybody's mind: why the razor blades being used as note holders stuck to N52 neodymium magnets? Well, because when I keep the razor blades stuck there and use them as a note holder, they're less likely to be accelerated across my bench by much more powerful N52 magnet slicing through my finger on its merry journey. And yes, that happened once. I bled profusely. Bench tip number 1. Do not keep neodymium magnets on your workbench, nor should you keep razor blades within range of said magnets. Okay, carry on. Spreadsheets. Show you a couple changes on my spreadsheets, which I've already uploaded to my Google Drive page, and I'll link the Google Drive page below if anybody would like these spreadsheets. Okay. Email update. I'm catching up. I've completely caught up on 2 of my Gmail accounts, leaving the Charles Kirschman one as the one remaining account. I've eliminated all the garbage from that account, yet it floods in continuously. And I've isolated a core of emails from YouTube from you guys, so I'll be chipping away at those now. I'll try my best. I'll do my best, okay? Cacti plot voiceover. Yeah, I'm going to save that. I keep promising to do that, but there's not much to do about it. Before I do that, though, I want to go out and record a quick video look of the Michigan cacti and show you again where it was half buried in the yard. Okay, building a 4:1 to 100:1 9-turn multi-trap on an it'll actually be a max Z ratio of 110:1, as I mentioned in my previous video, and that'll be the next video to come. I'm going to wind that core this evening, and it'll probably take well into the night to finish the rendering after I edit it. Okay, item number 3, the good old days of house fires. I unboxed some Christmas lights and this Christmas, and I elected not to use them because I enjoy my little cute little home. I'm not ready. It's insured, but I could burn the neighbors' houses down if I use these Christmas lights because I was utterly shocked at something. I've got lights from, here comes the furnace, from 2 different generations, from my childhood and from my earlier years, my married years. So that'll be a video to come. I wanted to show you why I started making this video. I'm going to pause you, kill the furnace. One moment. Okay, I'm about to become very serious here, guys. You know what I did an hour ago? I got curious, and I went to YouTube, and I just typed in, you can see it. I searched on the word Bloze. You can't see it. I lied to you. There you go. I searched on the word Bloze to see if anybody could find me if they searched on that one word. And I feel awful, man. See the video that, please don't get mad that I did this, Mr. Thumpmaster. Right? But you didn't mark the attributes as being private and share the link with me. You did mark the attribute as being public, so I got to be serious. I cannot tell you how I felt when I clicked his link when doing that search and started watching this video. Hey, Bloze, I'm building a vertical. You know, guys, I cannot tell you how that touches me. I'm almost speechless. I don't know what to say, man. The fact that he's giving me some credit for encouraging him to build a vertical. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh boy. Thank you, man. I don't know what happened when you posted this and shared it. If you shared it with me via email, I bet it's buried in my primary old Gmail account that I'm about to chip away at. If it is, I'm sorry, man. Also, somebody recently pointed out the number of videos that I posted to YouTube, and I was floored. If I had to venture to guess, I might have ventured 70, 75 videos tops. Oh, oh man. Yeah, Uncle Bloze has problems, man. And I took to YouTube to help resolve some of those problems. It's been a rocky road, Mr. Thumpmaster. I don't know what to say, man, other than thank you. Hey, I know how you can, if you enjoy my videos, I know how you can pay me back, guys. This applies to every single one of you out there. Get on 15 meters, call CQ. Now, I don't care if your thing is CW, FT8, single sideband. I don't know if there's a common FM frequency on 15 meters. I'm sure there are. Well, of course there are. There are repeaters on 15 meters, cross-link repeaters, cross-band repeaters. Pay me back, man. You sick of my you sick of my bullshit, man? You want to get even with dear old Uncle Blozo? Get on 15 meters, man. Pick your mode. Pick your frequency. Pick your power level. Oh boy. Don't forget, boys. I carried on a half-hour-long power experimentation QSO using CW with a man in southern Argentina at 2.5 milliwatts. Antenna, homemade, garbage-built ground plane on my chimney at a height above ground of about 17 or 18 feet tops. Counterpoise, 4 22-gauge wires laying on the shingles. 2.5 milliwatts. We're going into a raging solar cycle, boys. Hey, man, I got a little challenge for you. Do it at 1. Do it at 1 milliwatt. And you can have my channel. I'll retire. You can have the dump. You can have the landfill. You can be the new proprietor of a fine landfill. Thank you very much. I hope you're well. 73 guys. And I'm going to cut to a quick voiceover. I almost said animation. I guess my whole life is sort of that. video of my spreadsheets, the changes. Take care. Bye now. Hey guys, I just wanted to show real quick changes I've made to one of my spreadsheets, the N8NK units spreadsheet. Any of this will be of any use to you, but you see that I have prettied things up a little bit with the title, the heading of each section. I changed the background to green, a desaturated pastel greenish color. I work with mercury occasionally in vintage blood pressure cuffs, manometers and such, mercury manometers, and it's sometimes handy for me to be able to convert grams to milliliters. So I wrote out this section to be able to convert grams of mercury to ounces, pounds, and milliliters. Or conversely, if I had a known volume of mercury, I can convert it to grams, pounds, or ounces of mercury. I added also this section to be able to convert millimeters of mercury to pounds per square inch. I was going to add a section of torr, and because it can be handy to be able to work in units of torr depending on what kind of work you do. And I never knew that 1 millimeter of mercury was equal to 1 torr. Kind of odd that they would need to do that in the science community. Let's see, what else have I added? Yeah, that and, convenient one-step calculation of E peak and E peak to peak from power and resistance. Yeah, I'll find it. Here it is. Whew, Charlie. If you know your power output in watts and your antenna impedance, you can now easily convert it directly to peak voltage or peak to peak voltage. That's what I've added. So I hope you're well. Hey man, I've got a new ending for this year, and I tweaked it. Listen for the woohoo. Catch you later. Bye, guys.